Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, my fellow vagabonds and walkers of the wayfarers. How are you all doing today? It's been a beautiful day, following a start to a very odd week. Have you ever had one of them weeks when whatever you've said hasn't been right, and whatever you do has been wrong? Well, that's where I've been. And it's great fun, really. So to all the 345 family members today, namaste, thank you for all your support, thank you for the comments you leave, I really do appreciate it. Today we're doing another taste test. £1.60 a can from Tesco, and it's Tesco beef curry. Beef 35%, tomato puree, onion puree, a rapeseed oil, beef dripping, wow. Modified maize starch, garlic powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, turmeric powder, chilli flakes, concentrated lemon juice, ginger powder, water, paprika, maize starch, cardamom, coriander seed, fennel seed, white pepper, cinnamon, black pepper, cumin seed, clove powder, chilli powder, acidity regulator, acetic acid, citric acid, nutmeg, fenugreek seed, cinnamon powder, sugar, colour, paprika extract, caraway seed, tamarind paste, made using British and Irish beef. And although every precaution has been taken to remove bones, some may remain. So we shall see. Medium heat, £1.60 a can from Tesco. And there it is, guys and girls. There's the curry. We'll see what it's like, eh? And there we go. Looks okay, doesn't it? The beef is very tender, very soft. There's not a great deal of it. It's mainly sauce. Another piece there. It's got a hint of chilli. A very slight kick of heat with it. But all in all, tasteless. That's very disappointing. When you read all those ingredients that are supposedly in here, you think it'd have some taste. As I say, it's got that chilli kick, which is very slight. But overall, it's got a very bitter aftertaste. Not pleasant at all, really. There's been about I don't know, maybe six pieces of beef in there. But that's very disappointing. And if that's the best you can do, Tesco, you need to bring your act together. Sort yourselves out and put something decent in for people. That bitterness in the aftertaste is quite unpleasant. And at £1.60, I know it's not a fortune, but I'm struggling to find anything constructive to say about it, apart from the meat's tender. Yeah, it's tender, but that aftertaste is awful. It really is. It's so bad that I can't eat the rest of it. Very unpleasant. There you go. I was hoping for so much more. As we all are at times. I was hoping for much more from this week. But it started off really poor. But that's life. What's the point in complaining? Take it on the chin, get on with it, and just enjoy the time we have. So, thank you all again, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, fellow wanderers of the wayfarers and vagabonds. I thank you all for watching this. And I really do hope that your week's going well. I hope it's going better than mine. Take it easy, everyone. Be kind to each other. And above all, if you've enjoyed what you've seen, please click like, leave a comment in the box below, hit the bell icon for any future uploads, and if you haven't subscribed, please feel free to subscribe. It costs absolutely nothing, helps the channel grow, helps the family grow, and we all become part of the bigger picture. On that note, I will say, everyone, Namaste. And may your God go with you. And I'm sorry about that noise in the background, but it's my dog. She's been stung by a bee, which is her own fault because she's been chasing them all day. Haven't you, Layla? Aye? Yeah, she's wagging her tail now. But she knows, don't you? Right then, folks. Bye for now.